Did you know that 81% of online shoppers consider trust to be one of the most important factors driving their purchase decisions? Think about that for a second. Trust is key to opening wallets online. But how do you gain and build that trust in a world where customers have endless options? That's what we are diving into today. Hey everyone, I am Manoj from HF Traveler. I have helped hundreds of e-commerce businesses rank #1 on Google, and I'm doing this for more than 5 years now. So if you are struggling to rank your e-commerce store higher on Google and drive sales with organic traffic, reach out for free audit. All the links will be in the description. Make sure you check out, and it will be free audit. And also you can opt for a free strategy session. So let's get started with the video. Today we are diving into something super important for anyone who wants to grow their business. Are you ready? Let's talk about the ways to gain and build customer trust and loyalty for increased sales. Alright, so let's jump in. So let's start with the basic. Why is trust so crucial? Customer trust isn't just about making one sale. It's about creating a long-lasting bond that keeps people coming back to you time and time again. And loyalty, that's the goldmine for increasing sales. Loyal customers are not only more likely to make repeat purchases, but they are also your biggest cheerleaders. They will tell their friends, share your products on social media, and even give you those 5-star reviews that everyone looks for. Well, think about your own experiences. Have you ever hesitated to click that buy now button because something just felt off? Maybe the sites looked shady, or you were not sure if the product would deliver what it promised. In fact, loyal customers spend 60% more than new ones. And here's the kicker. It's way cheaper to keep a loyal customer than finding a new one. So building trust and loyalty isn't just about nice to have. It's the profit machine. Sounds amazing, right? But how do you build that trust and loyalty? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, be transparent. Here's the thing. Nobody likes feeling tricked. Hidden pricing, shady return policy, overhyped product that don't deliver. These are surefire ways to send your customers running for the hills. So what's the fix? Simple. Be upfront about everything. Display clear pricing and explain exactly what included. No fine print tags. If you're advertising a discount, make sure it's the real deal, not some sneaky gimmick. Honestly, it's just the best policy. It's the foundation of trust. When customers see you are delivering on your promises, they will stick with you. Launching a product on a specific date, have it ready. And if things go south, own it, apologize, and make it right. People value transparency and accountability way more than perfection. Step 2, offer amazing customer support. Picture this. You order something online and it shows up damaged. Annoying, right? So you contact customer support and get ignored. Frustration level through the roof. Now flip the script. Imagine the support team respond quickly, solves your problem, and maybe even throws in a little extra to make it right. You would probably go from frustrated to loyal in no time. Great customer support turns setback into opportunities. Here's how you can do it. Respond quickly to customer queries. Don't leave them hanging. Use friendly, patient language and offer real solution. Make customer feel valued, not like a number. Here's the pro tip. Offer multiple support channel, live chat, email, social media, you name it. Make it easy for your customer to reach out whenever they are. Make it easy for your customers to reach you wherever they are. Step 3, deliver quality every time. Do you know what's even better than marketing? A product that is so good it markets itself. If your product or services consistently delivers on its promises, or better yet, exceeds them, your customer will trust you. They will think, this brand always comes through for me. Your action plan. Regularly improve your services. Listen to customers' feedback and use it to make tweaks. Focus on delivering the best bang for their buck. Shall I tell you a little secret? People remember how you made them feel. If your product solves a problem or make life easier, they will stick with you for long haul. Step 4, personalize the experience. Alright, let's get real. Everyone loves feeling special. Whether it's birthday discount or a personalized product recommendation, small gesture can have a massive impact. Use tools like email marketing or CRM software to track customers' preferences. For example, if someone buys a winter coat, suggest matching gloves or a scarf. If it's their birthday, surprise them with a discount or a heartfelt email. Personalization says, hey, We see you, we value you. Pro tip, keep it authentic. Personalize just enough to make them smile without being creepy or overbearing. Step 5. Build community around your brand. People don't just buy product, they buy into lifestyle, vibe and community. Think about your favorite brand. Chances are they have created a culture you connect with. Start building your community by creating content that resonates. Think behind the scenes, look at your process. Find tutorials, challenges or user generated content. Highlight customer stories or featuring them on your platform. Give your customer an identity. For instance, if you sell fitness gear, call your community member fitness warrior or something catchy. It makes people feel like they are part of something bigger. Step 6. Reward loyalty. Let's be honest, who doesn't love free stuff? Loyalty programs are one of the easiest way to keep customers coming back. Create a system where customers can earn points for purchases and redeem them for discounts or freebies. Unlock VIP perks like early access to sales or special events. The key, make it simple and fun. If it's confusing or too hard to use, people will lose interest. Step 7. Use social proof. Here is a fun fact. People trust people. Glowing review, testimonial and happy customer photo go a long way in building credibility. Encourage customers to leave reviews and showcase them on your website or social media. Don't shy away from negative feedback. Either address it politely and professionally. This shows you are committed to improvement. Pro tip, partner with influencer or micro influencer who genuinely love your brand. Their endorsement wonder for building trust. Step 8. Be consistent. Finally, the golden rule for building trust is that consistency in everything. If your message, quality or service keeps changing, it's hard for customers to feel confident in your brand. Stick to your commitment. Promise 2-day shipping, deliver on time every time. Claim to be eco-friendly, stay true to your values. When you are consistent, people see you as reliable, and reliability breeds trust. Building trust and loyalty isn't rocket science, but it does require consistency, authenticity and a genuine focus on your customers' need. And reminder, the payoff is worth it. More sales, stronger relationship and long-lasting business. If you find these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share this video with everyone who wants to grow their business online. And hey, what strategies are you going to implement first? And what topic should my next video be about? Let me know in the comment section. Until then, stay awesome, stay inspired. Bye for now. Have a good day.